Alright mga kaswabe, maayong hapon sa inyo tanan. So, kamusta mo da? Kamusta ka mo? Subungan daw ato ni test drive si BYD Sealion 6. Amo na yung pinaka-paborito na sasakyan na ginabakay sang iba, no? Common ito sa syudad sa Iloilo kag sa iban nga pungsod, no? Pero dito sa syudad sa Iloilo, ano niya, grabe kitang pag-boom sang Sealion 6, no? Pag-abot sa market, grabe yung pag-boom, no? So subungan daw aton upod si Ma'am Meryl. Oo, si Ma'am Meryl, no? So bali upod ko siya kagapon. So today is Saturday and it's a Saturday afternoon. It's quite traffic here. Kag si Sir Randy, may hapon sino sir. Nice to meet you, sir. So sila maupod sa akon for the test drive of the BYD Sealion 6. So kagina na drive ko na ang Sealion 5 and actually it's a very good drive. And how much more of the Sealion 6? Let's find out, no? So let's ay, sakto. Okay. The parking brake is not here. I think okay, put in the park na ya. Okay.
Brake and ano, sir.
All right. So let's start. Okay. Huge mirrors, very nice. All right, here we go. Go. Oh.
For your safety, please fasten the seat belt.
Okay, so always the passenger at the back put into seatbelt. So very important kitcha. Very good safety feature sa ini klase nga sasakyan ng mga kaswabe, no. Very elegant feature, mga kaswabe. So right now guys, mga kaswabe, ladies and gentlemen, mabatyagan mo gid siya, mga kaswabe, no, while you're driving this car, no. I've been driving this BYD Sealion 6 at the BYD showroom, and I think that in the road like that is not quite alright for me, and I want to try it in an actual road, no, mga kaswabe. Let's see how this thing goes. Here we go. Mamma mia. Alright, here we go. Okay, first things first, steering is very impressive siya. Maybe I just want to go in this road right here. Alright. Usually rush hour subong. What time is it? It's already 5 p.m. So bear with us, guys. It's a very traffic inside here in the city, and we need to be in the zone. Okay. Having this material here, just enjoy the comfort and drive while stuck in traffic jam. This is what this is the worst hindrances when you're getting a test drive video in this traffic jam. Ala ka, anyari. I mean, your content tape, no? I don't know if we content tape, no? There is may nabungguan, jeep and taxi. I mean, heck. It's a worst case scenario, mga kaswabe, no? Oh my god. I mean, halong ka mo, ha. Basta dala mo sa sasakyan, halong ka mo, ha. Damo di sa mga I think ang sala is ang I don't want to get involved. me... Okay. Okay. Along gig ka mo mga kaswabe, no? Nabungguan na yung taxi kag jeep. Grabe. Ang tapo man. Okay, so balik kita sa test drive, no? Ang when it comes to acceleration, no, mga kaswabe, ang BYD Sealion 6 gives you a smooth ride, and I could feel the power from the engine. It's already charging the battery itself, no? Once it gets 20% of battery life, the engine, the 1.5 liter engine kicks in, no? That's the good advantage sa BYD. Not the Sealion 6, but also all BYD DMIs, mga kaswabe. It's a great car that you can ever drive, in which nga kung kagit sa masatisfy gid ang tanan. So mo nang namian di sila sa mo nga unit, no? And also it turns off when you are in a low speed. You cannot read the rev limiter for this. It feels like home for this, no, mga kaswabe, telling you. Absolutely amazing. And pasensyahe lang sa traffic na nagyan. So oh my god, it's very terrible for this Saturday. How much more in the Sunday journey? Okay. The traffic is so much horrendous, telling you. and what you satisfied is the screen. It's very nice. It's very nice, no? The screen is very nice, I'm telling you this. Alright. So we're okay, let this pass by. Okay. So din tama concert din. Drop off or
dito na talong din sa baba.
I think sa baba or the drop off na lang. Or
So drop off may ano ko pa.
Why na?
Oh, ito lang sa dalam.
Drop off na lang. Okay.
Para hindi na akong lakat ni ma'am.
You know, the screen is very it's very visible today. Once you put the car into one, actually the around view monitor is very helpful, no? Even you're sitting. All right. I forgot to test the horn. Okay, very loud. Okay, let me want this. Let me pass by. The suspension is very firm now. Oh, nice. I'm telling you, nice. Very nice, very nice.
Sige lang, mag-iingat ka lang.
Alright mga kaswabe, hasta na lang kita today. So overall, ang performance ng Sealion 6 is very soft. It has a greater technology, soft steering, very comfort seats, very inviting interior. It's everything that everyone wants, no? Ang munang rason kung nga gustuhan nila ang BYD Sealion 6. Pila ni ma'am ang price niya?
Is 1.548, sir.
Wow. So, value for money. I'm telling you. Okay, mga kaswabe, hasta na lang kita today.
Ito lang sir. Forward.
Forward. Okay.
Forward lang para makagis sa likod.
Alright. Sige.
Okay.
Okay na.